Good evening and welcome to the news. Here are the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches multiple development projects worth rupees 55,600 crore in 6 northeastern states. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveils development project worth over 17,500 crore rupees in Assam. Minister of Health Dr. Meghalaya Lingdor inaugurates the Lumkarwyang Urban Health Centre. Green Tech Foundation members clean Umkra River. And India wins 5th test against England by an innings and 64 runs in Dharamshala. The news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the Northeast is emerging as a strong corridor for harnessing trade and tourism ties with India's partners in South and East Asia. He said this while launching multiple development projects worth over 55,600 crores rupees in Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh today. The projects unveiled pertain to rail, road, health, housing, education, border infrastructure, IT, power, oil and gas sectors, among others. Modi also dedicated Sela Tunnel to the nation and launched the Unnati scheme worth over 10,000 crore rupees, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the next phase of development will be the next expansion of industries in Northeast region.
अरुणाचल में दिबांग मल्टीपर्पज हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट और त्रिपुरा में एक सोलर प्रोजेक्ट पर काम शुरू हुआ है। दिबांग डैम देश का सबसे ऊंचा डैम होने वाला है, यानी भारत के सबसे बड़े पुल की तरह ही सबसे बड़े डैम की उपलब्धि भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट को मिलने जा रही है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 125 feet high Statue of Valor of legendary Ahom General Lachit Barphukan in Jorhat. The project also includes the construction of Lachit and Thai Ahom Museum in 500 seating capacity auditorium. Modi also inaugurated and laid foundation stones of both central and state projects worth over 17,500 crores from Jorhat. Earlier this morning, the Prime Minister took the elephant and jeep safari inside Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve in Assam. He also interacted with the Van Durga, the team of women former guard who are at the forefront of the forest and wildlife conservation efforts.
कांग्रेस के लंबे शासनकाल में नॉर्थ ईस्ट को दशकों तक सरकार की उपेक्षा सहनी पड़ी है। विकास की कई परियोजनाओं का शिलान्यास करके फोटो खिंचवा ली, लोगों को गुमराह कर दिया और फिर भाग गए, हाथ खींच लिए। लेकिन मोदी पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट को अपना परिवार मानता है, इसलिए हमने उन प्रोजेक्ट को भी पूरा करने पर फोकस किया जिन्हें वर्षों से लटकाया जा रहा था, कागज पर लिख करके छोड़ दिया गया था। भाजपा सरकार ने सराय घाट पर दूसरे ब्रिज, ढोला सदिया ब्रिज और बोगी बिल ब्रिज का काम पूरा कर उन्हें देश की सेवा में समर्पित किया।
Minister of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Meghalaya Lingdor yesterday inaugurated the Lumkarwyang Urban Health Centre in the presence of local MLA and Chairman of Meghalaya Urban Development Authority Wailat Miki Shilla, President of Kur Sukpo Khatar Wirnai, Daloi Ilaka Joai, Pura Mon Kinjing and others. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Amperine extended her deepest gratitude to the Kur Sukpo Khatar Wirnai for the generosity towards donating the land for the construction of the Urban Health Centre, which in turn has benefited all the members of the community. She also mentioned that inauguration of the health center on the International Women's Day adds a special significance to the occasion, symbolizing a commitment to the health and well-being of women in the society.
Welcome our esteemed dignitaries by pinning a bouquet.
Thank you. Thank you. Kani ka center ru kanlong kata ka center hakba min kmi ya ki khon ki jongi ki badai hapo ka khat saus nem don kam yangi kumba pilatip pat pilayo snow ba kani ka jing don bril ka population ha ka jela ka jongi 75% la day lupa daki khon ki bahapo kalai ku samsnem.
A team of Green Tech Foundation members cleaned the Waumkra River on Saturday, which is one of the most polluted river in Shillong. Known as a river with pristine clear water, but over the years have succumbed to urbanization, Waumkra has been one of the top priority lists for cleanup. Chairman of Green Tech Foundation, H. Bansiudor Nonglang, has called upon the coordination of citizens for cleaning the river. He informed that before cleaning the river, the team has disinfected it and used both an mesh net to fish out the solid wastes.
TPI ka bangi install lang ni. Walay nga ang ka TPI na markala include lang ka. Ngin pa siyang man keren suara ka kam ay kata ka kam jungi kan sawa ka. Okay, tangkatahi ba sa kaway man taban leave yu ni waste ni penon kam da ka inflatable boat kata kalong ba ihaban sunya ka tu penon kam lagi ni ki tiar ban tong ban yu tiksa tab perni nang taksa dispose ate.
To mark the celebration of International Women's Day 2024, various departments of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya organized diverse programs on Saturday, ranging from staging plays, showing documentaries, talks, to honoring members of women's self-help groups in Ribhoi. The Center for Gender Studies at USTM screened a documentary for the students and other members alike to create awareness of gender equality and equal opportunity among students as well as the faculties. The theme chosen by the center was gender inequality and the need for gender-centric investment in sports in India. In a significant breakthrough, Ribhoi police apprehended a drug peddler named Kaisi Kamo from Nagaland in the early hours of Saturday. The operation was spearheaded by the Anti-Narcotic Task Force, teamed with conjunction with personnel from Bernihat Police Station. The raid conducted at Kaisi Kamo's residence resulted in the seizure of 8 soap boxes containing of yellowish-orange powder, which upon testing was confirmed to be heroin. The net weight of the confiscated substance tallied to 92.42 grams, underscoring the scale of illicit operation. During the arrest, law enforcement recovered a sum of Rs 1,04,000 in cash, believed to be proceeded from the illicit trade, along with 3 mobile phones. The Trinamool Congress Maukarwat bloc today held a general meeting at its party office in Maukarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills district, to discuss the upcoming MP election, which more than 100 leaders attended. Speaking to the media person after the meeting, President of the TMC Maukarwat bloc, Sonder Strong Kaji, said that the party has decided to give free choice to supporters to support any candidate or party during the MP election. But they should not vote for the NPP because it has betrayed the people of the state by supporting the CAA in the parliament. He also said that most of the leaders prefer to support the Congress or VPP, but he has given them free choice to support anyone except the NPP. In an unprecedented celebration of human emotion, Spectrum 2024 present an immersive artistic journey centered around the ancient concept of Navarasa. During the inaugural function, the campus director of NIFT, Shillong, Shankar Kumar Jha, spoke about the theme that it derived from the Sanskrit word Nava meaning 9 and Rasa meaning emotions. Rooted in ancient tradition, yet embracing the dynamism of modern world, Spectrum 2024 bridges the gap between traditional and innovation through visual arts, performing arts, social media, AI, gestures, and beyond. In cricket, India has won the 5th Test match of the series against England by an inning of 64 runs at Dharamshala today. With this, India has clinched the 5th match series 4-1. In their second innings, England top batting order completely collapsed as Ravichandran Ashwin completed his 5-wicket haul, while Jasprit Bumrah and Kuldeep Yadav took 2 wickets each during the second session of day 3. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded was 19.4 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature recorded was 7.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 57%, while in the evening was 65%. Dry weather most likely. Before we come to an end, let us look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches multiple development projects worth Rs 55,600 crores in 6 northern states. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveils development projects worth over 17,500 crore rupees in Assam. Minister of Health Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdor inaugurates the Limkerwiang Urban Health Centre. Green Tech Foundation members clean Wa Umkra River. And India wins 5th Test against England by an inning and 64 runs in Dharamshala. We have come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel. Good night.